Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos from me and you can see lots more delicious, healthy recipes. And in today's video, I'm showing you 5 of my current favorite healthy snacks that you can take on the go to school or work. The first thing we're making are some energy bites. I'm starting off with some almond flour. Almond flour is great because it's high in protein, it's high in fiber, it's got vitamin E, and the healthy fats are going to help keep you fuller longer, which is important. I'm adding in some ground flax, which also adds fiber along with some omega-3s. Some hemp hearts, which have a lot of protein. They are a plant source whey of protein, so they kind of boost the protein content of these without adding like a protein powder. I'm adding in a tablespoon of maca. This is optional, but it's great for energy, as well as 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, which is a great healthy fat that stabilizes your blood sugar. We're adding in some cinnamon, a great way to just stabilize your blood sugar. It's so great for you. Then I'm just stirring that up with, of course, my Star Wars spatula. If you're an OG Keep Up With Liv person, you know all about the Star Wars spatula. Then I'm using some chia seeds on a plate because we're going to be rolling the balls in some chia seeds. You can also roll it in hemp seeds. You can roll it in some cacao powder or some other crushed nuts. But I really like rolling it in something else just to make it a little bit more fun. And again, chia seeds have such great things in it for you. They help keep you full because they kind of gel up in your stomach. So they physically gel to make you feel full. They've got tons of protein, tons of omega-3s. They're delicious. So I kind of just make a round ball and then roll it into the chia seeds. And there you go. So I did half of them with the chia seeds, half without, but I love taking these for a pre-workout or for a snack. Next up, we're making Haystacks, and these are so simple to make. So I'm starting off by making my paleo chocolate that you guys have seen me make so many times. It's equal parts coconut oil to cacao powder, and then optional, you can always add a little bit of sweetener. So it's half a cup of the coconut oil, half a cup of the cacao powder, and then if you want, you can add in a teaspoon of maple syrup like I'm doing here for a touch of sweetness. That's not too much, but this is a great easy paleo chocolate that doesn't have any kind of refined sugars or anything like that, and you can make it in like 10 seconds. I'm adding some coconut flakes to a bowl. If you don't like coconut, you can do something else. And then I'm adding in half a cup of trail mix. This just has some nuts and some seeds in it. I pour the chocolate on top so that they combine, and then I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out little haystacks or little like gatherings of them onto a sheet of wax paper. You let that harden or cool in the fridge, and then you have these little haystacks that are a perfect chocolate snack with healthy fats that are going to keep you full. Next up, I'm making this big Crispbread. You guys know how obsessed I am with these Trader Joe Crispbreads. I literally brought like 5 or 6 of them back in my suitcase last time I was in the States. They're so delicious. I'm using this cashew cheese. It's the nuts for cheese one. I get it at Whole Foods, and I'm topping it with some fig. So what I like here is the combination of the salty of the cashew cheese and then the fig. It's so yummy. You get both sweet, salty, and the Crispbread is high in fiber. So again, it helps keep you full. Next up, we're making matcha pudding, which is great as a snack or even as a breakfast. I'm starting off, of course, with chia seeds. We need chia seeds for chia seed pudding. They're high in omega-3s. Again, they gel up in your stomach. They help you feel full. They make your skin glow. They're gorgeous. And then I'm adding in some cashew milk. You can use almond milk, whatever kind of plant-based milk. And of course, some matcha. So I'm using the Vital Proteins Collagen Matcha. You can just use plain matcha. You're going to need about a tablespoon. I blend that up so that it's instant and it becomes like an instant chia pudding. Because when you grind up the seeds, it gels a lot quicker and you don't have to wait overnight. Next up, we're making some cucumber logs, which is one of my favorite things to make like with toppings lately. So I'm using a cucumber, and isn't it funny how when you buy cucumbers that are more like farm grown, they don't look like those long ones that are covered in the cellophane? If you know what I mean, then like comment below. So I'm slicing that, and then I'm slicing some avocado. Avocado is a great healthy fat. And again, guys, fats are your friend. Fats are what stabilize your blood sugar. Fats are what keep you full, and healthy fats actually help you burn fat. So I'm placing that sliced avocado onto my cucumber slices. You can also do cucumber rounds too if you want, and then smash the avocado and put it on top. But I kind of like these logs that almost look kind of like toast. I can call it like cucumber toast. And then I'm putting on some everything bagel spice from Trader Joe's. This stuff is so delicious, and it gives it a nice salty like flavor. And then a few basil leaves on the top too that just add some freshness to it. But you can totally change up the toppings, but I've been loving using these cucumbers as like a vessel. So I hope you enjoyed those healthy snacks. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow on Instagram because I'm always sharing what I eat in a day, health tips, things I'm loving, and everything like that. And that's the best place to reach me if you have any questions or anything like that and you want it to be anonymous. So make sure you head on over there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.